What's up, you guys? This is Jesse's Paint Jobs, and today we're going to be custom painting one of my personal BMX bikes, and we're going to be using a DX airless electric spray gun from INOKRAFT. INOKRAFT currently has these guns out for pre-sale, and they were kind enough to hook me up with one of these guns, and I'm going to unbox it with you guys and show you what's included. This box includes everything you need to custom paint a bike or whatever it is you're wanting to custom paint. If you're a DIYer, this is going to be the perfect setup for you, especially if you don't want to invest thousands of dollars into an air compressor and spray gun setup. Here's my first look at the spray gun. It's a little bit bulky, but it does feel like it's made out of some high quality materials, and it feels very sturdy. Moving on to the accessory kit. I'm going to go ahead and set this bag to the side for a second and see what else is in the box. Looks like we got one paint cup attachment along with 5 disposable inserts and lids. Now let's check out the last box, and this is just the spray head. And just like the spray gun, the spray head itself also feels like it's made out of some nice high quality materials. Now let's check out what was in that bag that we set to the side. These little spray tip attachments are pretty cool. Each one of these tips is used for different stages of the painting process. So instead of having to switch out what gun you're using each time, all you have to do is put in a new spray tip and you're ready to go. It looks like we also got some gun cleaning tools along with one air filter for the spray gun. This is an awesome little paint setup. Thank you, INOKRAFT. Alright, let's get this spray gun all set up and see what this baby can do. I got the spray gun all set up, so now let's try to shoot some sealer. I was being a little bit cautious when I first started spraying with this gun, but once I felt comfortable, I went ahead and turned up the pressure control gauge, and this thing started shooting amazing. I got the whole bike all sealed in, so now I'm just going to switch the tip out and then spray some yellow base, because that's what color I'm going to be doing for my logos. I got my yellow paint all sprayed where I want it, so now I'm going to go ahead and lay down some logos. The reason I'm doing this bike Padre themed is because they're my favorite baseball team, and I've been wanting to do this project for a while now, and this is the perfect opportunity to do so. I got my logos everywhere I want them, so now I'm just going to spray this whole bike with some brown paint. Here's a little close-up video for you guys so you can see how well this gun lays down the paint. One big thing I did notice with this spray gun is it used a little bit more paint than I was used to, so that's something to keep in mind. But all in all, it's very efficient and very easy to use. Now it's time to unmask the logos. This thing's looking sweet. Alright you guys, we just gotta change the tip out one last time and spray this bike with some clear coat. Alright you guys, here's the finished product. This spray gun performed even better than I had expected, and I was especially impressed with how well it shot the clear coat. Airless and electric spray guns could definitely be controversial, but I believe this DX spray gun from INOKRAFT is a strong alternative. It will save you a ton of money, and I believe the performance and results you get from it speaks for itself. If you're thinking about doing a painting project this summer, definitely consider this spray gun as a great option. It's also a great tool for any painter to have for use on any portable projects. It's compact, efficient, and well worth the investment. If any of you guys are interested in getting one of these spray guns for yourself, or if you want to learn more about this product, check out the link in my description below. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.